might find more.
It's RV Project Saturday!
Which is going into Sunday, probably.
Hey! These RVs are not meant to live in. Let's take a good look at that there chipboard that we were sitting on in our dining room table. Why don't you show us? The grate. Yeah, so there's that. So we gotta replace that.
Poopy.
And then our shower was leaking. So the guys have been putting that back together today. So.
And then the cabinet door.
Oh, and the cabinet door was falling off. In
Amy only been
the kitchen area? Yeah, well, it's been 3 actually. 12 weeks. So we've been working on taking out 3 layers, right? 3 layers of linoleum.
Yeah.
That have been put down
like soaked in
over the last 100 years or so.
Just the last layer.
In here, and surprise, surprise, we found the concrete in here was part of the original pour from 1905. It's got the same design in here that the front porch has from the original pour, so kind of cool. Of course, we're hoping that she will want to have it cleaned up and shined up and just keep it as is, but right now she's planning to put in hardwood floor in this area. It would be similar tone to what is already here, but of course she hasn't seen this yet, so we'll see what she thinks.
Look at his tail though.
So we found a deceased armadillo.
Dead. Dude, what deceased means?
You can see the tail really gives it away too.
But the plating is cool.
Yeah, very interesting. We found a little skunk friend out in the field. Not sure I want to get much closer. I don't have that much tomato juice on hand. And they're all moving out. There's a pasture just beyond those trees. It's a little more grassy. Seems like it has a little less rocks than what we see right here, so they like to go out there for part of the day. And then they come back in for water. Did you get it? Nice. Nice work. So he's gonna carry that bucket and then take the tractor down the ranch road. It's probably about 1.5 miles, 2 miles down the road. So it'll be a So we're gonna get this beadboard here sanded. This ceiling, as you can tell, there's been water damage over the years and areas where the paint is, chipping off and it's in bad condition. So, but this is a hallway that used to be the outdoor porch, and with the add-ons in the 80s, they made it more of a hallway that goes into the kitchen down this way. So anyway, we're going to try to get the beadboard, it's a beadboard ceiling, ready to paint. Will require quite a bit of work. Closer look. The finish, you can see where it was painted green at one time. It's probably lead-based paint. That's why I have proper safety gear on, but you can see it's in pretty bad condition. There's been some leaks in the ceiling here, so those are now fixed because we have a new roof. Anyway, so we're gonna try to restore it.